ended, I decided that this is going to be a two-part story, just like any good epic movie these days. So Josie was the last to arrive because she has started doing some portrait modeling and she had to finish a modeling gig. Because she's going to be traveling so much with that, she got her very own trailer. Here she is with it.
I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. So good it.
Can you believe that fancy kitchen? I think she did all the decorating herself. We pretty much had non-stop tailgating the entire weekend with good food and treats. Orion was in charge of the cooking. And Katie Mae and Juliet set up a big treat tent for everybody. Here is a picture of Beamy really enjoying one of those treats. And here are some more pictures of everybody enjoying the tailgating. Enough, we did have a few swimmers. Here is Sasha and her brother. And my good friends Nimbus and Luna from Oklahoma. A whole pack of us decided later to go for a hike. And we even had a deer join us. We did run into a few problems along the way on the hike. Kylie was practicing her agility skills on the logs, and Harmony was just trying to pull a plastic bag out of the water when I thought Harmony had fallen into the water, so I sprang to action to save her since I thought she was going to drown, even though she had her life jacket on. Okay, and nobody got hurt. That evening, we had a lot of fun around the campfire. Kelly and Titan built the most beautiful fire for everyone to enjoy. They are smart campers, and they even brought their own bed. They are known as the Velcro Poodles because they always stick together. We also roasted marshmallows and had beef jerky s'mores, which were a really big hit with everyone. We did have a little trouble with bugs and mosquitoes. Lacey is especially afraid of bugs, so she hid under the blankets. But Harmony thought ahead and brought a giant bug zapper, which really took care of the problem. On the last night, we had a big firework display, and most everyone enjoyed that.
'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky.
fireworks, and it was time for bed. I don't want to wake anybody up, but I hope you enjoyed my movie, and I hope you stayed awake, and I hope you had some popcorn. And remember, vote for Casper in 2016. Night-night, everybody.